Hi, I'm Lee. If you're not sure whether you need an impact driver, a drill or both, this video breaks down exactly what each one's for and when to reach for which. If you're new here, I cover every tool and settings like this, so hit the subscribe before you start. Your Erbauer drill uses a chuck to hold both drill bits and screwdriver bits, and it's built around a clutch system. That's what lets you control torque precisely, stopping a screw from being overdriven or stripped. This makes a drill your go-to for drilling clean holes in wood, metal or plastic, and for controlled, everyday screwing where accuracy matters more than raw power. Now, an impact driver works differently. Instead of a clutch, it delivers short, rapid, rotational bursts of force once resistance builds, which is what causes that distinctive hammering sound. There's no chuck either, just a quick release hex collect for hex shank bits. This makes it far better suited to driving long screws, lag bolts and tough fixings without stalling or straining the motor, jobs that would bog a drill down completely. Now the key difference, the simplest way to think about it: a drill gives you control, an impact driver gives you power. A drill is precise and gentle enough for delicate work. An impact driver is built for force, through resistance without you having to lean on it. Now, which one should you use? If you're drilling holes or driving small to medium screws where accuracy matters, reach for the drill. If you're driving long screws, coach bolts or fixing into tough or dense material, the impact driver will get you done faster and with far less effort. Now, can they overlap? They do overlap for general screwdriving, but you only have to pick one for construction or decking building style work. The impact driver wins on raw drive power. And if you only had to pick one for general DIY drilling and finishing work, the drill wins on control. So that's the real difference between an Erbauer drill and an impact driver, and when you use each one. If this helps, subscribe. I've got a full guide for both tools coming up soon. See you in the next one.